What is the quantum computing? Computing utilizes the principles of quantum mechanics to the process information in ways classical computers cannot. Unlike classical bits, quantum bits or qubits can exist in multiple states simultaneously, enabling parallel computation. This enables quantum computers to solve complex problems and exponentially faster from simulating molecular interactions for drug discovery to optimizing logistics. Quantum computers hold the potential to revolutionize industries by tackling challenges beyond the reach of classical computers. As we unravel its mysteries, the transformative impact of quantum computers on technology and innovation becomes increasingly apparent. Uh, I want to say about importance of computing. Quantum computing is important because it has the power to change almost everything in our daily lives. Quantum computers offers unprecedented power, enabling us to solve complex problems that are presently beyond the capabilities of classical computers. This includes simulating molecular interactions for drug discovery, optimizing supply chains, designing new materials with specific properties, and enhancing cybersecurity through advanced encryption methods. Furthermore, the computing has the potential to accelerate scientific research and innovations across various duplicates. It can be facilitated breakthroughs, its modeling, renewable energy optimization, and artificial intelligence by providing faster and more accurate simulations. Quantum computers can help scientists better understand the fundamental laws of nature and develop innovative solutions to global challenges. Moreover, the impact of quantum computing extends beyond scientific research and technological innovation. It has implementation for economic cooperatives, national security, and societal well-being. Research and development are positioning themselves at the forefront of the next technological revolutions, gaining a competitive advantage in the global economy. Quantum computers offer many advantages that promise to revolution various industries and their domains. The key advantages of quantum computers: rapid calculations at unprecedented speeds, efficient data storage, and relative capabilities, mastery in resolving intricate problems, accelerated conceptual speeds, and revolutionary Google searches, pioneering new technological frontiers, evaluated privacy standards, and the conducting complex simulations with age. And I want to say about the disadvantages of quantum computing. Quantum computing holds immense promise but has several challenges and disadvantages. They must be addressed. The key of the disadvantages of quantum computer: formulating algorithms with the quantum precision, requirement for extremely low temperatures, limited accessibility to public, navigating challenges in internet security, addressing heat related concerns, overcoming the complexity in concentration. At last, exploring the advantages and disadvantages of quantum computing unveils both the transformative potential and the challenges associated with this revolutionary technology. While its benefits promise to reshape industries, addressing its limitations will be crucial for realizing for its full potential in the digital age. Building and scanning quantum computing hardware is a highly complex and the resourceable initiative process. Quantum systems requires precise control over qubits and error correction and fault tolerance mechanism to mitigate and errors. Designing, fabricating, and calibrating quantum processors involves engineering and manufacturing process, making achieving reliable and scalable quantum computing system challenging. Quantum computer systems are generally the significant heat during operation due to the energy dissipation associated with the qubit manipulation and control. Managing heat dissipation and thermal management in quantum computers is essentially to prevent qubit and ensure readable operation. Heat issues create technical problems and can stop quantum computers